Water is a major consideration in current power generation and in energy generation as we look towards the future and the energy transformation. Water is going to be a major part of the transformation and feedstock for hydrogen electrolysis. It's also going to be a major part of cooling needs as well as we look to the future.
At EPRI, we have estimated the water withdrawal and consumption rates for low-carbon technologies, such as electrolysis for hydrogen production and carbon capture systems. And additional opportunities exist as sites deploy these technologies for us to further evaluate the water use rates and what sort of waste and wastewater streams are produced from these technologies.
One of the things that we see a lot for water is that they are struggling with accessing enough water. In terms of maybe they need additional water for carbon capture or hydrogen electrolysis, or maybe they're just having droughts and they don't have enough water for general running of their plant. So one of the things that we're looking at is alternative water use. So using municipal wastewater or industrial wastewater or RO reject as a form of cooling water or even demineralized water, and what it takes to treat them and maybe how feasible that is in certain sites. So it would open up sites that aren't currently accessible if you can make use of these alternative water sources.